Hello everyone, I hope you're doing amazing. I have done some huge damage at Primark. I've got all this, so my bank account is not liking me at the moment. But also I have some bits from H&M and TK Maxx. As you would have clicked onto this video, you'd know this is a Primark haul, but if you want to see some H&M stuff and some bits from TK Maxx, that is right at the end. So basically, if you don't want to see that, just finish the video when the Primark haul's done. Anyway, let's just get straight into it. You know what? I was actually pretty impressed with Primark. There was a lot of nice bits which I could use for my capsule wardrobe, because if you didn't know, my main reason for going into Primark and getting all this shopping was I wanted to start a proper capsule wardrobe. So let me show you what I got. And I'll be honest, the first item really isn't for a capsule wardrobe, but I just saw it and I was obsessed. I bought a pyjama set and I've worn it already. It is the boyfriend flannel pyjama set. So you have a top looks like this and it comes in a set. So that's the top, and then you have matching trousers, and it's so soft, like it feels lovely, and I've slept in it now and oh, it is amazing. And it's only £15, so definitely worth giving it a go. Next we then have some, just honestly, this is all basic. We have some straight jeans. These are from the Primark edit, and let me tell you, oh my gosh, the Primark edit is amazing, because I believe what it is, it's their higher quality range. So the quality of this does feel amazing, and it's just a basic pair of like charcoal black straight leg trousers, which I really needed as I did not have any black trousers. I did size up. I usually go for a size 10, but Primark sizes are a bit small on me, so I went for a size 12. So just bear that in mind, or at least especially for these. But it has a little detailing on the back that just says the edit. But these are really nice. I really like these. The next thing I got is a jumper. So I just thought this is such a classic design. It's this one, and it's part of, what's her name? Paula Echevarria, I don't know, ex-Primark. It's basically her collection, but it's just like a basic jumper, which I just thought was really nice. Again, the quality feels nice and thick. It feels good quality, and it only cost me £13, which I thought that's a good price for the feeling of the quality. Next, I have a very simple turtleneck t-shirt slash jumper. I've kind of got it so I can wear it as both, basically, but it's a cream colour, just again very simple. I went for a size small and it was £8, and I just thought this is perfect. It's just a simple soft feeling turtleneck, like a white creamy one, as I do not have one yet. So again, it would be perfect to be a part of my capsule wardrobe. The next item isn't really me wearing for this time of year. It's a bit cold for it, but I just thought it would be perfect for springtime. I got it in a size medium. It's meant to be small. Oh well, hopefully it'll be alright. This might be a bit big for me then. It looks like this. It's just plain white, and it was £7. Again, it's like a nice thick feeling material, which is what I wanted. So the final clothes item I got from Primark is actually another part of the Primark edit. I saw this on TikTok and I thought, oh my gosh. So I got this in an extra small because it's an oversized piece. So it looks like that. Now, it is a plain t-shirt. It's a definitely a basic. I do not own a plain t-shirt, by the way, but it is so thick, like I don't know, you can't really see anything through it. A little bit on the pricier side. It was £12, but again, the quality is insane. I'm just hoping this will feel as good when it gets washed, but we'll see. Now it's time for accessories that I got from Primark. These are kind of boring, if I be honest. So I basically just got 2 belts. I actually do not own any belts, weirdly enough, and I just thought they'll just make some trousers look nice. So I basically got the same ones, the one in brown, the one in black. And then if I like the belts and I wear them, I think I might invest in some higher quality pieces, as those are what make a wardrobe look good, if that makes sense. So again, just thought I'd grab those. Now these are amazing, because it turns out I didn't own a single pair of sandals. I thought I did, but I didn't. So I thought I'm gonna get some, because again, I saw these on TikTok and it's an Hermes dupe for the sandals that they have, and I just thought these were really nice. I like these, and they're only £7, so I thought it'd be perfect just for, well, whenever I need some sandals. So I'm really happy with these. Now that's it for the Primark stuff. I'm going to show you my H&M stuff. I only got 2 things. Again, they are for my capsule wardrobe, so let me show you. We have some more jeans, but this time these are more wide leg. Funny enough, I don't know if you remember quite a few vlogs back in autumn, the one where I tried the red dress, I think was in that thumbnail. I forgot which vlog it is. Anyway, these are the black trousers that I tried on, and I wasn't 100% sure at the time, but ever since, looking back at the video footage, I'm like, actually, I really like that, and I liked it with that black top that I tried it with, but the black top wasn't there, that was long gone. But I think these are just something that's there all the time because it's such a basic. Then I got another jumper. I just got this turtleneck grey one, which I just thought such a good basic for, well, a part of the capsule wardrobe. It'll go with the black denim, it'll go with the white I've got, and it'll go with the blue ones. So again, a perfect little staple, and it's very soft as well. The trousers, by the way, were £24.99, and I believe this was £18.99. And I just got this in a size small because it's quite a nice stretchy material. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure how this is gonna wash though, because it feels nice now, but it's a very loose thing. I'm worried it's gonna get stretched, so again, we'll see. Now that's it for the clothes. Now I'm going to show you some homeware stuff which I got from TK Maxx and little other bits as well. It's kind of like a bit of everything. Now if you've seen my previous vlogs, you would have known I've been buying stuff for my future house in general. So we have a little haul here. Well, some bits are. I guess we could start off with this one. These are actually earrings, like some hoop ones. Again, I thought I want to get some staple jewellery as well. And this is from TK Maxx. Some boring stuff, I just got some bags to post, things that I sold in Vinted, which if you're interested, please just have a look down below in the link, just to check it out. Wrapping paper, as his birthday's coming up, it's always handy to have. I then got this silky satin pillowcase. They're in a champagne gold, but they're kind of creamy, so I thought they'd be quite nice, but they're really good for your hair, and it says cooler sleep, healthier skin, beautiful hair, and hypoallergenic. So I thought, I've been wanting to get some for such a long time, and today was the day I finally got some. Okay, this I love. This is a teapot, which is in like a stony cream colour, and I just thought this is lovely. I also got such a good deal. Originally, this sold for £40, and I got it for a tenner, and inside has a thing for tea leaves, which I probably won't use, but it's handy in case I ever use them. But it's like a tea leaf thing there, so you can put them in and then diffuse the drinks. I thought this is just such a lovely piece to have. And then let me show you a mug I got. This is actually from Dunelm. This isn't from TK Maxx. So this is £4. And look, it's Winnie the Pooh. It's so cute. And I just thought, oh my god, they're the same colour. I didn't even realise that. Perfect. And then there's a little quote that says, I always get to where I'm going by walking away from where I've been. And I like this because I don't know if you can tell, it's bumpy, as in it looks like it's handmade. Obviously it's not, but if you look from the circle, it's not like straight, and I really like that. It just gives that rustic feel, because the vibe I'm going for in my house is gonna be like very cozy countryside. Yeah, this is from Dunelm. It's just like a body cleansing thing, but it's like very soft, and I just thought, oh, this will be nice, so I treated myself to that. The final things I got for my house are some storage jars things. It says it's an oven dish / storage box for food. I basically got them in 2 sizes, a bigger one and a smaller one. I just thought it would be really perfect for storing food, like the fridge, and I'm wanting to stick to glass and stuff just because I'm one of those health conscious people. That's just how I am, and I want quality as well. So it's got a bamboo lid and then just like a glass jar, and yeah, I just thought it'd be a really nice way to store stuff because it's airtight too. The final 2 things I got are actually not what I bought, it's what my boyfriend bought for me. Basically, we've been playing Dreamlight Valley on the Switch, and where I'm currently unemployed, I have a lot of spare time in my hands, and I'm getting well ahead, and I don't really buy myself games. So he bought me 2 games I can play so I can play something else. So I'm not ahead of him. I don't know what they're going to be like, but more games. And that is everything I've got. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Anyway, have an amazing day everyone, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys.